Okay, so it's working, but it's making a crackling noise sometimes. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the cover, see what we can find. I did find a light bulb kit for the thing. It wasn't too expensive for LED ones, as I suspected. I want to get to the volume control, but I'll have to get to it from the bottom. So I'm gonna go take this outside and go give it a proper cleaning. So it's been running for a while. Looks okay to me. Yeah, it just needs bulbs for everything, so it's to be expected. Can't quite see where the bulbs are, and I'm pretty sure that there's one there, and I think they might actually just all be right there. I'm not sure. I can see one of them down in there, the fuse style bulbs. So you've got a bunch of dog hair. Anyway, some Zener diodes there for voltage regulation apparently, and it has the typical PA that we'd see on the 2030, the relay, which apparently can be problematic. I don't know. Pretty simple. It's kind of nice that it had like this board, that board, that board. It's all separated and it's not like tied together in one big damn board, which means that you can do a little bit of troubleshooting. I do see some heat discoloration right here. There's not a ton of electrolytics in here. There's enough to keep you busy for a while. And if I count them right now, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's about 20 I'd be concerned about. I generally don't worry about like smaller ones like these ones, but it is a good idea to do all of them. As crazy as it may sound, a lot of times the quality of an old capacitor exceeds that of a brand new Chinese one. Some of these orange ones are pretty good. This one here has been glued. A lot of people think that that's leaking. No, that's glue. They glued them onto the board. I don't know why. I think. Hold on, don't let me second guess that one. I may be actually incorrect about that one. So it's hard for me to tell. Once I clean it off, I can tell. It looks like they put stuff on it, but do you see that one right there? It looks like they put stuff on it, and that's not going to drip upwards. Let's see. It's just weird because, like, see these orange ones, they don't have anything on them. That one there, I think it's glue, but I guess it could be something else. See how it's on the top of the resistor, like they used a paintbrush, because that's what they would have used, I think. And all of these larger ones should look the same, but these ones are not. So I'm not 100% confident that that isn't leaking, but it looks like glue. So let's get this thing cleaned up, and we're gonna clean the control. All right, we got it out here. Looks pretty clean on the bottom, so we're gonna give it a good air compressor treatment. All right, so this is inside of it. Let's get the light on. really clean down here. Board looks pretty clean. We can easily get to the volume controls. And if for some reason we do end up having to replace the volume control, it's a 50K by 2. It's a B. So a little funky looking there, but otherwise pretty good. Nice clean work. I didn't really get the back of it, but anyway, I can deal with that later. Let's flip it over. Okay, so I didn't really wipe it down or anything. You can definitely do that. What I like to do is usually take a couple different things, like a brush, like a soft paintbrush. I'll get in there and kind of dust it real careful. Then I'll hit it with air again, because even with air you can't get all this stuff off because it's just so on there. But I mean, it looks pretty good. Okay, so it sounds really good. They turn it up right about to here and you start getting kind of a clipping, popping sound. I don't get it on this other stereo. We can turn this other one up really loud. I would guess the clipping sound, popping, it's I don't know, I can't really demonstrate it here because of copyright issues, but it's a very sharp, nasty, popping, crackling kind of sound. I don't know, maybe I could duplicate it. Let me see.